Always plan some goals for life. Put maximum efforts to achieve them. Don't lose heart and never retreat from your objectives. At the end, a shiny day will be waiting for you. With this message, let's move on to our channel. Here we will learn a lot of words, meaning and their sentences. Deserve, musthiq ya haqdar. They deserve a prize. Kindness, meherbani. Treat them with kindness. Injured, zakhmi. She is injured. Kinds, iqsam. Seeds have different kinds. Living things, zinda cheezein. Plants are living things. Your suggestions to amend the video will be warmly welcome. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.